I'm gonna be making a 90s caboodle box, which is super fun, super colorful. You could use it to store anything from stickers, lip smackers, pogs, whatever you had in your house when you were a little kid, that's at least what I had. So we are going to be using some poplar that I've made into a larger block here. This is the quintessential little latch, and just some fun acrylic paints to make it really pop. I've taken the clamps off and I have it here at my belt sander. I'm going to smooth out all these seams, round over some edges, and get that caboodle shape. So I've chosen a really fun teal and purple, some bright, vibrant 90s colors. Caboodled. So I have little hinges here to put on the back of the box that will allow it to open like the real one does. And I'm just going to recess them in just a tiny bit so that we don't have it lifted up too high in the back and it looks a little bit more natural. That's great. One side done. Same deal, screwing it in. Ta-da! Ta-dam! Here it is, the 90s Caboodle box. I had a lot of fun making this. Hopefully after watching me make it, it feels like something that you could also do in your own space. I think we really achieved a very close resemblance to the original box. We've even got the tray in here that came out from the middle of our poplar block. It looks great, only a few simple steps, and you end up with something that you can enjoy for years to come.